Number 26, the scatter plot shows the relationship between two variables x and y for data set E. A line of best fit is shown. Data set F is created by multiplying the y coordinate of each data point from data set E by 3.9. Which of the following could be an equation of a line of best fit for data set F? And we've got two sets of answers. When I say two sets, each of these sets of answers shares something in common. So I have one that has the y-intercept 46.8, one that has a y-intercept of 12. And then I have a set here. You could look at this as a set, has a slope of 5.9, and this has a slope of 1.5. Now, why am I saying this with slopes and y-intercepts? It's because they are following the format y equals mx plus b, where I have a number multiplied by x, and I have a number standing alone. And the number multiplied by x is my slope, and the number that's standing alone is my y-intercept. So even though they reverse that and they put the b's first, still the number standing alone. So those are my two, my y-intercept possibilities, 46.8 and 12. And here are my two slope possibilities, 5.9 and 1.5. So let's look for slope first. Let's say which of these seems more likely, 46.8 or 12 for this new line. And let's look again at what they said, what we know about this line. I'm going to really just kind of zoom into just our graph here. There we go. Okay, so this is our data set E. Then we have this new line of best fit for data set F. And data set F multiplies just the y coordinate, not the x coordinate too, just the y coordinate for each point by 3.9. All right, so our current y-intercept looks closer to 12. Yeah, I have down there the 12. Like, yeah, it looks closer to 12. But that's not going to be the new y coordinate. So for this y-intercept currently, it looks like it's 0, 12. But I know our new data set F, they multiply just the y coordinate by 3.9. So I need to do that. I need to multiply 12 by 3.9, and dun, 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 what do I get? I get 46.8. Okay, so now I know that these two are out. That y-intercept cannot be 12. It must be 46.8. Okay, so now let's move on to slope. All right, so let's find 2 points here, figure out what their new values will be, and then we'll find the slope. And that will help us, even if it's not exact, because this line of best fit isn't really exact as to the little points it's going through. It's kind of hard to tell. But this is so different, 5.9 versus 1.5. We'll be able to tell which of those is closer because it's saying which could be an equation. All right, so I'm going to start with that same point. That was 0, 12. And then when we multiplied this by 3.9, we got 0 and 46.8. And there's another point here. If I'm looking around, like even these aren't exact, but that one's pretty close to being on the line. Close enough for our work. So it was 12 and 30, which means my new point will be 12 and 117. Okay, so how to find the slope from these 2 points? It is change in y over change in x. So the change in y, I went from 46.8 up to 117. And I can choose to subtract. I can go this way or I can go this way. Either way is fine. I'm going to go this way. So it's 117 minus 46.8. And on the bottom, it is 12 minus 0. And this is a moment where, yeah, you want to pull out your calculator. I wouldn't blame you. So 117 minus 46.8 is 70.2. And when we divide that by 12, we get 5.85. And lo and behold, that is very, very close to 5.9. Certainly not 1.5. So A, that could be an equation for this new line of best fit. Again, we just took that y-intercept multiplied by 3.9 and then took this line, changed 2 points, and then did the slope off of those 2 lines. Another one of those problems you're unlikely to see in your math book, but it kind of combines stuff you learned in other areas. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.